To activate AppleCare Plus. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to activate AppleCare Plus. So for that, all you have to do, just simply open your settings in your device, and after that just simply make sure that you are logged in with your Apple ID in your account, and after that just go to the general setting, and over here you have a bunch of different options. Just simply click on about, and over here, if you have the Apple Care warranty in your account, you will be able to see this option which says limited warranty. So I have right now some limited warranty in my Apple Care in my device. So that's why it says that it will expire on this particular date. But if you don't have the Apple Care activated in your account, you will be able to see the option which says coverage. Right now, I'm just going to show you how you will be able to do it. Just simply click on Apple support. Just open this particular application, and over here it says get coverage. Just simply tap on it. Now you can see, it is showing that I don't have any eligible device to get the Apple coverage for myself. But if you still want to see how you can get it, just simply open the application and select the device. For example, I'm selecting my MacBook Air right now. And from here, just simply click on Apple's Store and Shopping. And here you will be able to see the option called Apple Care and Warranty. Just simply tap on it and click on Get Started. And just select the device or the serial name. You can also see that it has add Apple coverage to your app, all your Apple device. You can click on that and just select your country from there you are operating. And after that, you can see that there are different links that you can open in order to check the eligibility for Apple Care for your device, or you can get new Apple coverage for your expired plan already. So here is the page where you can read that how you will be able to get the Apple Care plan for your Apple device which is expired. So you might be able to purchase new Apple coverage within 45 days after your coverage is ended. Your new plan will be having recurring payments. You can check if your product is eligible for new Apple coverage, Apple Care coverage in settings, or in your iPhone, iPad, or in your Mac associated with the Apple account. Then yeah, that's how you will be able to activate your Apple Care Plus. I hope you find this video to be helpful.